Hello, boys and girls. Today is Tuesday, the 28th of July. I hope you enjoyed your lessons yesterday. I'm looking forward to sharing with you today what you're going to get up to. So, today you're going to begin with your English workshop. You are learning to investigate the different types of narratives. Your success criteria is I will be successful if I can identify some elements of a narrative, identify them as fiction text, and justify. Categorize narratives based on different types. So there are lots of different types of narratives that we are looking at. So not just a fairy tale, there's also sci-fi and adventure. So keep an eye on the different types of narratives you are going to be learning throughout the weeks. Then for your English lesson, you will need to listen to the story of My Cat Macy, written by Pamela Allen. We need a photo of your English lesson for today, so please make sure that you take one that we can actually see it and send it through to your LA once you have finished. The purpose of this narrative is to teach the audience a lesson. You will need to answer these questions neatly in your remote learning book. Please make sure when you are doing this activity, you have the heading, My Cat Macy, then you will write your questions. Okay, so 1, write the question out neatly and then answer it underneath. Write question 2 out neatly and then answer it underneath. The first question is, what lesson is the author Pamela Allen trying to teach us? So she says that trying to teach us something in the book. So making sure that you can listen it to the first time and then re-listen to it again. If you are not sure, draw a picture of when Andrew learns his lesson. So you really need to focus so you can make that connection. For your DBL this week, your learning intention is I can describe the life cycle of a plant. I will be successful if I can identify all life stages of a plant and describe life stages. So for this part, you are not to write or copy this out. I just want you to have a wonder and think. What do you remember about a plant life cycle? Have a wonder, go in your backyard, have a think, look, touch, feel. How does it grow? A seed grows into what? What is a plant life cycle? You can talk to a sibling, you can talk to a parent about this. Then I would like you to watch this video. Okay, this will tell you all about the different stages too. When you get to this page, you are not to answer these questions, okay, but these are some high order thinking questions to help you and a visual of the stages as well. What do you think would happen if a plant did not have sunlight or water? Now, we've been speaking a lot about water and how important sunlight and water is. Why does a plant need roots? What do the leaves of a plant do? How does a plant grow new plants? If you could plant a garden, what kind of seeds would you plant? Okay, so I want you to discuss these with someone in your household as well. Then, in your remote learning book, you need to write the heading Life Cycle of a Plant. You will need to draw and label the life cycle of a plant in order. You may need to rewatch the video again to help you. As you can see, I have shown you mine. I have done it. A cycle is repetitive, it continues. I have shown you and I've drawn. When you do yours and you draw yours in your book, making sure you've taken your time with your pictures. You might like to do it in grey lead first and then colour it in pencil afterwards. Please make sure there are no textures. Okay, you will need to label each stage. So what stage is this? Write it underneath. What stage is the next part? Write it underneath, okay? Make sure your pictures are quite big enough that they're not squashed or anything that we can see. When you have completed this activity, we would like a photo sent to your LA. Today for your maths lesson, you will be on a Google Meet with your teacher. So once again, don't forget to be ready, logged on. Make sure you have a ruler, a pencil, and your maths book ready. Today, you also have your specialist subject, performing arts. Deb has a video for you, so please make sure you watch that. Your learning intention today is we will explore music elements. Your success criteria is I will be successful when I can sing in a tune, develop my motor skills, and imagine a story in response to a musical. She's given you your warm-up activity and then a video that you need to watch to move your body, following your workshop and another video. Deb has put her email in here, so please make sure when you complete this activity, it doesn't get sent to your LA, it gets sent to Deb, your performing arts teacher, okay? I hope you have fun. We're looking forward to seeing you today for your Google Meet, and enjoy getting all your work done. Thank you to Year 2s.